everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about modern English. So here we start. The modern standard language which prevail on the bounds of an entire nation supersede the provincial types. Their standard language became more and more uniform with time. In most instances, they have grown out of the provincial types that prevail in the upper class of the urban center that became the capital of the unified nations. For example, modern standard English is based on the London types and modern standard French on the Paris type. Less than 500 years ago, English was the mother tongue of one small nation in Europe. Nowadays, it is used as a mother tongue in England. The rise of English from the mother tongue of one small island nation. In fact, by the 19th century, English was well on its way to becoming a world language. The 19th century can be seen as the age of expansion language. During this period, imperialism was its peak. As a result, the linguistic outcome of this spread of English was threefold. Move on to the next, new standard varieties in mother tongue countries. When some of the largest British colonies such as US, Canada, and many more eventually shed off British rule, the English used in these former British dominions developed along very different lines from their of the mother country. This led to the diversification of English, giving rise of different varieties of English like American English, Australian English, and so on. The American were urged to establish their distinctive national identity. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हो, इंग्लिश जो एक लैंग्वेज है उससे बहुत अलग अलग तरह के भी लैंग्वेजेस निकले हैं. लाइक जो इंग्लिश ब्रिटेन में बोला जाता है उसे हम ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश के नाम से जानते हैं. उसी इंग्लिश में चीज़ें थोड़ी चेंज होती है या मॉडिफाई होती है जो कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बोला जाता है, जिसे हम ऑस्ट्रेलियन इंग्लिश के नाम से जानते हैं. देन अगेन चीज़ें चेंज होती है, स्पेलिंग्स चेंज होते हैं, प्रोनाउंसिएशंस थोड़े चेंज होते हैं जो हम अमेरिकन इंग्लिश में यूज़ करते हैं. तो इस तरह की चीज़ें हर एक कंट्री में अपने अपने अडेप्ट करते चले गए. मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट. Canadian English has mixed variety of both British and American. In pronunciation, Canadian English has some distinctly recognizable features. The varieties used in other mother tongue countries like Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa are very different. They are less under the influence of either America or British English. Indian English is closer to British English that it is to American English. It has acquired a distinctive vocabulary which we called Indianism. So here you can see in Canada, that time in Canada the English was mixed, the British and American English. As in India, we also look that we spoke two different kinds of English. Many of the words are related to Britain and many of the words are related to American. In addition to the different mother tongue and second language varieties of English mentioned so far, there are several Pidgins and Creedy Englishers. Pidgin Englishers are found in two main groups, Atlantic Pidgins and Pacific Pidgins. Atlantic Pidgins developed in West Africa and were transported to the West Indies and America during the year of the slave trade. The Pacific version are found in places like Hawaii, Papua New Guinea and other former British dominions. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो, पिडगीन्स मतलब बोलचाल की जो भाषा होती है वो दो पार्ट में डिवाइडेड है, अटलांटिक पिडगीन्स एंड पैसिफिक पिडगीन्स. अटलांटिक पिडगीन्स हमारा वेस्ट अफ्रीका से डेवलप्ड हुआ था, जो कि वेस्ट इंडीज तक स्प्रेड हुआ था. एंड द पैसिफिक पिडगीन्स हमारा हवाई से डेवलप्ड हुआ था और पापुआ न्यू गिनी एंड अदर ब्रिटिश डोमिनेंस में जाके स्प्रेड हुआ था. Move on to the next. A Pidgins is a communication system that develops among people who do not share a common language. In course of time, a Pidgin may acquire mother tongue speakers. If this happens, it is called a Creole. English-based Pidgins and Creole developed in the British colonies out of the communication between the English masters and the subordinate natives. Pidgin's language are also referred to as maid languages. English has never been a homogeneous language like every living language. Modern English, also known as New English, as opposed to Middle English and Old English, is the form of the English language spoken since the Great Vowel Shift in England, which began in the late 14th century and was completed in roughly 1550. Modern English has many dialects spoken in many countries throughout the world, sometimes collectively referred to as the Anglosphere. These dialects include American English, Australian English, British English, etc. According to the Ethnologue, there are almost 1 billion speakers of English as a first or second language. So overall, in all the pages, आप लोग देख सकते हो कि इंग्लिश जो कि है आज के डेट में बहुत सारी कंट्री का मदर टंग है, और अगर मदर टंग नहीं है तो इंग्लिश आजकल के बहुत सारी कंट्री का एक सेकंड लैंग्वेज तो ज़रूर से ज़रूर है. तो इंग्लिश एक ऐसा कॉमन लैंग्वेज है जिससे हम डिफरेंट कंट्रीज से कम्युनिकेट करने में बहुत ईजी रहता है. इंग्लिश इज स्पोकन as a first or second language in many countries, with the largest number of native speakers being in United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, New Zealand and Ireland. There are also a large population in India who speaks English. Modern English evolved from early modern English, which was used from the beginning of the Tudor period until the Interregnum and Restoration in England. By the end of the 18th century, the British Empire had facilitated the spread of modern English through its colonies and geopolitical dominions. So that's it for this video lecture. In next video, we will discuss about the Scandinavian. Thank you.